Hi everyone, and welcome to this how to crochet stitch for beginners. And today we're having a look at a lovely mesh stitch, easy to make, difficult to say, mesh stitch. And I've got two samples here, one in double knitting or number 3 weight yarn, and you can see it's got a nice drape. It's quite lacy, but it's still got some firmness to it. So I would say it would be suitable for summer weight top, or maybe a lightweight shawl or blanket. Here is a sample which is done in aran or worsted weight yarn, so slightly thicker, and I'm calling this the tick stitch because it's a series of little ticks, one way and one the other, depending on which row you're on. It's a single row repeat, very easy to remember, and it's made up of extended single crochet plus a chain. So let's get going and make ourselves a small sample. Now for a change, I'm going to use a cotton mix weight yarn. I know this is rather pale, but I rather like it. We don't need to do too much of a sample. To crochet an even number of stitches plus 3. So we'll just do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Even number plus 3, 1, 2, 3. And in that fourth chain from the hook, we're going to insert our hook, capturing 2 strands at the top there, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now in a normal single crochet you'd yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook, but today in the extended single crochet we're just going to go through one. We're then going to yarn over and go through both. We're then going to do 1 chain, skip a chain and insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 on the hook, yarn over, pull through the first, yarn over, pull through both, yarn over and make a chain, skip 1 chain, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2 and a chain, skip a chain, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over through 1, yarn over through 2 and a chain, skip a chain, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over through 1, yarn over through 2 and a chain. Skip a chain, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and then we're not going to do a chain in the last one, we're going to do a half double crochet to finish off the end of the row neatly. This gives us a firmer edge. 2 chain, turn your work, another chain, 3 chain, turn your work. Now as we come back the other way, we're going to identify these little ticks, little hole there, little hole there, little hole there. this is the place where you're going to insert your hook for the next extended single crochet. Insert your hook into that gap, yarn over through 1, yarn over through 2, and a chain. Insert your hook, yarn over through 1, yarn over through 2, and a chain. Insert your hook into this hole, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2, and a chain. Extended single crochet, chain, extended single crochet, chain, extended single crochet, no chain, a half double crochet in this turning chain from the previous row. 1, 2, 3 chain. I'm going to work another round, another row here, and you'll gradually see how this works up. Extended single crochet, chain, extended single crochet, chain, and so on all the way across. Now here I'm using a mixture of cotton and acrylic by Sirdar. It's a lovely cotton to work with. Come to the last one. We're going to do a half double crochet into that turning chain. 1, 2, 3. Turn your work, and there we have it. We have, if you can see that, this lovely mesh stitch, which when it's blocked out is going to look great. And I think in cotton, or this cotton mix, it really does make an effective summer weight top pattern, crochet pattern. So why don't you have a go at making a sample of the extended single crochet mesh stitch, or what I'm going to call it, the tick stitch. Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, I'd love you to subscribe and press the bell and give us a thumbs up. So have a great day. Take care. Bye.